Chalk slates. Not anymore. No more chalks and no more chalk dust flying all over. Now, writing pads or LCD writing boards are the new ways to teach your kids to write. What's going on, guys? It's Shabazz back with you, and welcome to another unboxing/review of this simple 12-inch LCD writing board. If you don't know, this is the channel where we review everything. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's look at what's on the box. So we have 12-inch LCD writing tablet. There is absolutely no brand name. On the back here, what do we have? We've got the product parameters, the name, no brand name, the size, the weight, weighs only 177 grams, material quality, reflector, input pressure, and power supply battery. It uses a CR2025 button battery, and well, it comes in different colors. Right on top here, what do we have? More characteristics: replaceable batteries, no ink, energy saving and environmental protection, one key to lock screen, one key to clear screen, smooth writing, can be repeatedly erased. So that's all we have here. So let's unbox.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last.
After unboxing, we see the package includes one LCD board and one stylus pen. We got this, a simple manual, a quick guide. It's in Chinese, some sort of Chinese, and right under here in English. At the back, nothing, just a paper. These boards are a beautiful way for kids to learn to write while playing at the same time and not have them scribbling all over your wall or car. But I actually bought this for myself as there are a great many uses for it. At least I don't have to worry about scribbling on pieces of paper, have all my info in one place, write and erase as many times as necessary without worrying about sharpening a pencil or using an eraser. They come in various sizes. I got a 6-inch for my kid and this 12-inch for myself. It's made of plastic, very lightweight, just a couple of grams really, and very, very slim. One of the good things about this writing pad and LCD screen is that it is made from durable plastic materials, so it's safe for kids to use. You can easily drop it and there won't be any damage to it. You'll still be able to write with no problem, so it's quite safe for use at school, at home, in the office. It's dust free and no ink is necessary for the stylus pen, so you can just easily write anywhere. On top of the screen, there is a delete button you can press to erase any content on the screen. Here at the back, there is an anti-erasing lock feature which ensures that anything written on the board is not accidentally erased as long as it is locked. To unlock or lock, just slide the button to the left or to the right. If I want to write something, for example here, I come back here, I slide this to lock, and if I accidentally press this, I can unlock. To unlock, you go back, slide the button to unlock. Now I can come back here and erase. This board uses a removable cell battery that uses power only when you're using the delete button. This means that if you remove the battery, you can still write on the screen, but to erase, you will need to use the delete button, as you can only erase when there is a battery inside. And because the delete function is the only thing that needs the battery can last for up to many years. Now, let's look at how to remove the battery. This is the battery compartment. It has screws, which is a relief for parents who have kids using this writing board, as the kids wouldn't be able to force out the battery, and so there is no danger of swallowing or anything of the sort. You know, kids, they're very inquisitive. To remove battery, you just have to remove the screw. In most cases, the battery is usually embedded in a compartment on your right or on your left. In this case, it's direct. You might want to use a tiny screwdriver to get it out, and that's it. So the battery is placed like facing down, and if anything, make sure you change the battery. Make sure the negative side faces up and the positive side faces down. If not, it's not going to work. It uses a small lithium battery, a CR2025 battery. See here we have a sort of bed, so there is no problem. There shouldn't be any problem, and you can still write on this with no problem. The only problem you might have is, since there is no battery and the only thing that uses battery is the delete button, you won't be able to delete. That's the only problem. So we're going to proceed, put the battery back in, and that's it. Change the battery, put it back in. You might want to use a small tool to fit it in the battery compartment, either to the left or to the right, depending on what model of writing board you have. Also, make sure negative side faces up and positive side faces down. If not, it just won't work. Put back the screw, and that's it. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the 12-inch LCD handwriting board. If you're interested in getting one of these, you can click on the link below. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon.